I'm loving it so far, man. The buildings, the monuments, statues. Inca Cola is like the only reason I came back to Peru. All in, take Tambo. We'll see you guys up there.
Let's hear the rest of it.
So not completely sure, but we think we're getting closer to the top. Hope so. We are high up. It's been an hour straight going up on the stairs. With a couple breaks though in between, not long ones. But we're making our way. Whew. You'd think I'd be in shape for this, but a couple weeks off the ice, it's all gone. It's hard to see the light, but yes, finally made it. We're up here now, and we're just entering the main gate, and we're gonna see what Machu Picchu has to offer. Are you excited?
Yeah. Yeah, I am.
We have an amazing day.
I'm tired.
We're both like
Beautiful.
zombies walking right now after that early wake up and that hike, but I'm sure once we see
It is beautiful.
the beautiful sight, it'll regenerate our energy sources and we'll be flying. So yeah, Machu Picchu. Oh man, what a trip. I'm back in Toronto now. Just taking a brief intermission from the video. I hope you guys like it so far. I've been having a hell of a time making the second part, just making it all link in together, and I figure this will work as a good segue to take us to the next portion of the video. We did go to XIXX, which is a jungle town up in northern Peru.
These millipedes, once they feel attacked by some predators, they can spray some sort of chemical out of the back. Smells really good, but that this is against all the predators.
The
might be
predators don't
different.
like it. Yeah.
I believe these both ends they can be 30 times more than a regular wasp or bee sting. So
wow.
That's a ton, right?
Yep.
So now we know where to find it.
Wow, so spooky. But I'm gonna skip over that. I'm gonna put a link to a video that I created while we were there. It was for Jessica.
I was thinking about it and just like worrying and whatever, and I thought, okay, I'm gonna ask for like my sign that I ask for when I want to feel safe or when I know that everything's gonna be okay, and then it's just been popping up everywhere. It's so crazy that when I do that, it happens every time. Every single time it happens.
what is this sign?
It's a butterfly.
Yeah, and you guys can check that out. It's something very special. If you're close to me and Jess, you know what we're about. I'm just gonna get out of the way of this bus so it doesn't run me over. And yeah, so right now we're gonna skip ahead. We're gonna enter Mancora. We met my brother Blair there, and yeah, let's see what Mancora was like.
What's up? You made it.
You can see what I see, kid. My shoes don't fit, my breath stinks, and I don't know where this is. It could be hell, it could be heaven, I don't know what the difference is. My phone don't work, my glasses broken, now I can't see shit. And all my friends have done me so dirty. My nigga, picture me high as shit But don't try hard, cause I always am. Take me to the place that makes sense. It's cherry